Hey you guys, it's Megan and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, it's all about this half wig and we are doing a quick and easy tutorial on how to style and install a half wig, even if you are a bald-headed baddie like I am and you don't have any hair, by using the headband method. And also, like, we're going through just like a little bit of styling. This is not how I actually received this wig in the packaging, and you'll see that as you watch the video. It was a lot more tamer than this, but you guys know me, I like really big voluminous hair, and I'm pretty sure she's doing her job. So if that is your cup of tea, make sure you watch this video. Also, all the products that I used for like my natural curly hair and for this hair are all linked down below in the description. Okay, now here's the video. Hey you guys, so in this video we're going to be using the sensational half wig. It is a half wig, but you can also wear it as a ponytail, as I watch it like flop out of the box. But you can also wear it as a ponytail, and as you can see, like, I have no hair. So I won't be wearing it in the actual ponytail form. I'll just be wearing it in a half wig. So I'm just going ahead and taking it out of the packaging. What initially drew me to this wig is, one, I really like the wavy crimps. I don't know what you would call that, but if you know, like, comment down below. But I like the waves that are in it, and I also like how full this wig has the potential to get. Here I'm just showing you the structure of the cap. There's two combs at the top and then also one at the bottom. And there is a drawstring right there, but I did not highlight that when I was showcasing it. I'm showing you the length of the wig as well. One thing about this is it is a 1B, and I usually gravitate more towards a 1, but they didn't have that. Right now, I'm just making sure that I treat my hair underneath the wig cap. I'm making sure that I go in with some coconut oil and oil my scalp. I have low porosity hair. You guys, if you've been in any of my hair videos, you'll hear me mention that a million times. So I try to make sure that I moisturize my hair at like any given time. And I'm just massaging that in. If you didn't know, it's really good for you to stimulate growth by massaging your hair and your scalp. By massaging your scalp, not your hair. Your hair doesn't have any feeling. And then I'm going in with my Mio Organics moisturizer, and I'm following up with that, and I'm putting that in my hair as well, just to make sure we are locking in that moisture extra well. I'm like a huge advocate for making sure that I'm taking care of my hair underneath my wig. And I would like to say that that's what I really like about half wigs in general, is the ability to be able to take care of your own hair. Whereas if you have like a lace front, or if you have a sew-in, you're really not able to get to your scalp. You're really not able to get to your strands in the same aspect of when you have a half wig. Another thing about it is just the versatility, because like I have on a half wig today that has like waves in it or whatever, and then I could be switching it up and have on a straight one tomorrow. I'm going in with this Eco Styler gel. I believe this is the coconut Eco Styler. I really like it because it has a good hold to it, but also it moisturizes your hair simultaneously, and I want my hair to be moisturized. So it slicks everything down really well for me. I just use like a generous amount to make sure that all of my hair is covered. And I switch between this gel and I think the olive oil one with the green top. And right now I'm just taking my brush and I'm brushing my curls back. That's like another part. Like, you will never hear me talk bad about a half wig. You just won't. That's another part of it, is just being able to slick like my natural hair down and get the effect of like having a sew-in without actually having a sew-in. That's the vibe that I'm going for. And then you guys, this is the best edge gel there is. It says that you can use it for your edges or you can use it as braid gel. I don't wear braids, but as an edge tamer, this is it. It's by the Do, and I like opened the little canister thingy so that you could actually see how much I've used. It's $14, so it is just a little bit pricey, but y'all, I've had this for months. And on top of that, like, it's just, I will pay good money for good quality product. This stuff slicks your hair down so well. And you'll see that I'll even like use it for my edges too and like do my baby hair, but it gets the job done. I can't say enough positive things about this product. So now I'm going in with a soft brush. I really don't know why I do this. There is some rhyme or reason to it. I just don't know why. It just feels right. Okay, so we're just gonna go with that. Putting on my wig cap and sliding it back. I'm trying to decide on just how far back I actually want it to go, like how much of my hair I'm actually going to reveal for my half wig. And now I'm going in and just slicking down my baby hairs. Y'all have seen me do this like 11 times. I don't need to like talk you through this part of the tutorial, but I guess we will. I just do 2 on each side, and you guys, like, I'm so happy because this time last year I really didn't have a lot of edges, and let me tell you why. I was vitamin D and iron deficient, and I was also stressed out at the same time. If you're having or you're experiencing any issues with growth for your hair, 9 times out of 10, like, it's because you are vitamin deficient or stressed out. Make sure that if you're going through any of these, like, go and get your labs run. I remember there was a certain time where I could not for the life of me get my hair to grow past my bra strap. And then I got it down to waist length. And the way that I got it to waist length is because I was actually taking my vitamins. So, and I also decreased my stress and started working out. Like, all of these play such a major part in the health of your hair that people don't take into consideration. So make sure you are checking that on a regular basis, or if you feel like your hair growth has like plateaued, probably because of your vitamins. So now I'm just taking that very top comb and I am putting it into my hair. I already put my wig cap on. I'm securing it on the side with the other comb, and then taking it in with the next comb and just making sure that we are all, I don't know what I was doing here. Oh, moving the wig cap back just a tad bit. So I was trying to actually secure it in the back, but then I realized I don't have any hair in the back. I went and got my hair tapered last week, and so I don't have any hair back there to actually secure it to. And once I realized that, I was like, oh, okay, so this is just going to be here. So the way that I wear my wig, my headband, is I like it covering my ears just like slightly, and I like it covering the wig band so that you're not able to see that. And now is when I start to brush it out, and I am just about to be so happy. You see her. She is so happy. Because I just really like big, voluminous hair. And so this hair has the potential to get even bigger, and I'll talk about that like in the next clip and what my plans are as far as that is concerned. But I am just pleasantly surprised at the amount of volume that this is able to have. And then I'm just showing a comparison of the left and the right side. So this is how it brushed out, and then this is how it actually came. So if you are the type of girly that likes to have more of like a subtle hairdo, then keep your hair like how it came out of the package. But if you want to go big and go for volume, then use a brush like I did so that you can achieve the maximum volume that you want. And then I like made sure I brushed it at the top because I wanted the volume to come from the top and like work its way down. I'm grabbing a few pieces in the back as well. And this is how I like to wear my hair, kind of like in a flip over method, but with a headband. So now I'm just going to turn around so that you guys can see also like how full it is from the back, but just to see like the volume that is associated with it. I think that I actually go in and I show you what it looks like from the back after I'm done zhuzhing it up. But yeah, this is such a great item to purchase, and I only paid $23 for it, and it got here in 2 days. I was really excited to receive this package. I love me some half wigs down. I think I'm going to start like an LTK collection of just wigs so that you guys can have that. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. And I am very, very pleasantly surprised with this one. Okay, you guys, so I had to I know that this is going to be a voiceover, but look, okay, I'm in love. Like, I love this hair. I love how big she got. I was trying not to overly brush it because I just got it out of the bag. Like, you guys saw that. So I just got it out of the bag, and I didn't want to like overly fluff it because she is La Synthetica. Y'all know how I get down. And I just didn't want to do too much on her first day. Like, I wanted to make it nice and easy breezy. So that's what I did. And I'm very pleased. I might move the headband back just a little bit. It's times like these that I wish I just had like a scoop of hair so that I could actually like cover it and I could just be like, you know, but it's okay. This will do. We like being a bald head baddie. So yeah, I really like it. I feel like if you are the type of person that you want to have like even more volume in the wig, that you could make it bigger. You could make this bigger. And you know what? I might get a second one of this just so I can like play around with it. Like, it has these little layers in it, but I wonder how it would look if I cut it like right here. It would probably like be really voluminous, but overall I'm very pleased. I really, really like this. So yeah, I'll make sure that I have it linked down below so that you guys can grab you one. I really like this, and the texture is very, very soft as well. So that's why I like try to do a comparison of the left side versus the right side, so that like just to give you guys a refresher of this is how it looked whenever it came in the actual package versus like how it looks when I brush it out. So if you like more of a subtle appearance and less volume, then you can keep it at the level that it was at like when I took it out of the package and not have to switch it up. But we love it. I'll see you guys on, oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you have tried this wig out before. This is like probably like my 7th time having it, like throughout the course of my half wig wearing journey. I think that this is probably like the 7th time. I did switch my hair up a lot at my wedding, and child, this was 15 years ago. So this wig was around, this half wig was around 15 years ago. This is one of the wigs that I wore during my wedding, during my reception, and I absolutely loved it, and I got so many compliments on it. I think my hair was like more like curled during my actual ceremony and pinned back, and then I went and changed into this wig, and then 15 years later, and she's still doing her job. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.